Daniel Charles Yadaw Seigle, born June 14, 1976, is a Filipino-American basketball coach and former professional basketball player. He is the former head of basketball operations of the De La Salle Green Archers men's basketball team and a team consultant for the San Miguel Alab Pilipinas of the ASEAN Basketball League. He last played for the TNT Catropa of the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). He won the 1999 PBA Rookie of the Year and led San Miguel to 6 championships, out of a total of 8 during his career. He is also a 2-time member of the Philippine national basketball team. Seigle starred for his high school basketball team, Carbondale Area Chargers, leading them to winning 59 consecutive games and a state title. He then joined the Wagner Seahawks after being recruited by coach Tim Capstraw. Seigle became a 2-time Northeast Conference first-team selection for the Seahawks, closing his college career with scoring 20-plus points in 9 of his final 10 games. He finished 6th in Wagner's all-time scoring list with 1,650 total points scored, and also in the top 10 all-time for field goals, three-pointers, and free throws. San Miguel Beerman. In 1999, San Miguel acquired Seigle as its direct hire Filipino foreign cager, after the league instituted a rule for every team to have 1 Filipino foreign cager acquired without going through the process of joining the rookie draft. Danny has an older brother named Andy, who was then still playing for the Mobiline Phone Pals by the time Danny himself was acquired by the Beerman. Their mother, Blisilda Yadaw, is a Filipina while his father is American. Despite a huge showing in the 1999 All-Filipino Conference, the Beermen were eliminated by eventual champion Formula Shell. However, the Beermen won the 1999 Commissioner's Cup and the Governor's Cup with Seigle, 1998 Rookie of the Year Danny Ildefonso, Olsen Ricella, and Imports Turquin Mott Commissioner's Cup and Lamont Strothers Governor's Cup leading the charge. At season's end, Seigle won the Rookie of the Year honors. In 2000, Seigle continued to spark big numbers for San Miguel and led the team in regaining the Commissioner's and Governor's Cup titles. He set the league record winning for Finals MVP awards. Seigle lives in Makati and has business interests in Manila and in the U.S. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.